When you see a wasted spark screen like this, now you should be able to pick out the bad wires very quickly. This is another vehicle we have. The first wire is down and to the right. Sloping down is a sign of circuit resistance. The second one is not arcing over a plug. It's arcing to ground somewhere, has leakage someplace. The third one is high and down to the right. The fourth one in the firing order slopes up like it's firing a lean mixture, but it's firing an exhaust. This is a bad plug. The last two, only the last plug wire is good. Now you should be able to quickly make judgments and give your customer an accurate estimate about the secondary ignition in only a few minutes of looking at the secondary waveforms. No check of the ignition system is going to be complete without looking at the DIS. We're going to look a little later about some very specialized things of judging this, but we need more information about the DIS. We go to our spec pages. The first page on the right is an electronic link. If we click on this link, it's going to take us directly to a page with all the rules this DIS is going to use to operate and the scope patterns that we're going to be needing to diagnose it. In the center is a diagram